Hello, I'm Dr. Sonal Yadav, eye cancer specialist or ocular oncologist at PBMS HV Desai Eye Hospital, Pune. Cancers can affect eyes in various ways, both in children as well as adults. Today, we are going to talk about the most common eye cancer found in children, that is retinoblastoma. Retinoblastoma is a tumor arising from the back part of the eye, found in children from newborn to 6 years of age, most common. Retinoblastoma can affect 1 in 15 to 18,000 live births. Out of the total 6,000 to 8,000 cases detected every year worldwide, around 1/3 are found in India. This eye cancer can occur in one or both the eyes. It can be hereditary or familial because of a bad gene, or can also occur without any family history. With application of recent advances as well as technologies, retinoblastoma is now one of the most common curable cancers of childhood. However, if untreated, retinoblastoma can be blinding or even life-threatening for the affected child. Retinoblastoma tends to grow silently with subtle initial features like deviation of eyes or squint, or a whitish reflex in one or both the eyes. If undetected at this stage, it can continue to grow, involve the entire eye, and present as acute painful red eye. Retinoblastoma is treated with chemotherapy, both systemic as well as intraarterial, local treatment modalities as thermotherapy, laser or cryotherapy, surgery as well as radiotherapy. With application of all of these treatment modalities, eye cancer specialists worldwide have been able to achieve more than 90% of life salvage, more than 85% of eye salvage, and more than 70% of vision salvage in these affected children. However, in some cases, to prevent the systemic spread of the disease and to save the life of the child, eye removal surgery or enucleation needs to be performed. To achieve optimum tumor control with limited morbidity as well as mortality, early detection of retinoblastoma is the key. Unfortunately, because of lack of awareness, socioeconomic constraints, as well as lack of available services, many of these children with retinoblastoma fail to seek timely treatment, presenting in advanced stage or missing out on treatment altogether. At the Ocular Oncology Department at PBMS HV Desai Eye Hospital, Pune, we have been instrumental in treating children with retinoblastoma hailing from the state of Maharashtra as well as neighboring states. We are happy to partner with Mission for Vision and Venn Foundation for their initiative Mission Jeevan, who will provide financial support for retinoblastoma treatment of children hailing from underprivileged families. Along with Mission for Vision, we at HV Desai Eye Hospital are proud to join hands with eye cancer specialists worldwide to reduce the global burden of retinoblastoma. So, as a community, let's come together, fight this eye cancer, retinoblastoma, and save these precious little lives.